This is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Huntington 2 ceiling fan, which is installed here in the hallway at another Roblox house. They had add a couple fans like the Armitage that's outside. So yeah, it is. I'm not sure what kind of finish it is. It's probably like in a black oak finish, but I'll start off light. Here's the light. I believe this is probably the copperstone finished. Light. Second. Okay, here's low. Goes pretty slow, but that's okay. So, yeah. These are one of the Hampton Bays fans. I can tell it's probably an I can tell it's probably a Huntington 2 because of the blade brackets and the light kit how it's assembled. So I'm going to take it off to medium. Just that a little bit. Okay, here's medium. Does go kind of fast, but that's okay. It does not go pretty fast like on high. That's fine. I wasn't expecting that much water to come in, but that's okay. When there's background noises in the background, take it up to high. Here's high. Give you a better angle. Top shot of it. Oops. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.